Hi everyone, this is Aldo from excelninja.com. Today we're going to be talking about pie charts, how to create a very simple pie chart. This is an introduction for all those of you who don't really know how to create a pie chart. Very simple. We have, say, information like this. So revenue by region: north, south, east, west, 12 million, 6, 8 and 4 respectively, and say you need to show it to your boss or to your colleagues or your customers, and to show how the different regions perform this particular quarter or year. So what we do, the pie chart is one of the most effective ways of showing this on our presentation. So what we do is select the range, the data range, just by clicking on it and extend it, so we select all data points, and then we go to insert and we choose pie. As you can see, you have an option of, well, several options within the 2 pie category, or you can also choose a 3 pie category. Don't worry too much about it, because you can change the chart type later on. For the time being, let's select 2D pie, this particular one. As you can see, Excel has created automatically a chart on the same sheet, and it has all the information that we have provided. We can now go and change it. When we select the chart, and we do so by clicking on it, you can see up here you have chart tools with regards to design, to layout and to format, and we'll explore very briefly these as we move along. First of all, you can, as I said before, you can change the chart type by clicking on that, and here you can select basically all the different charts available in Excel, not only the pie one. Let's say that we're happy with what we have at the moment. We can then select different chart layouts by clicking on here and seeing all the ones that are available. As you can see at the moment, the chart itself, for instance, doesn't have any information, any data labels. We can include them by clicking on this particular one, and as you can see now, the legend has now been incorporated in the chart itself. So you have north, and here it's showing to you the percentage. So 12 million is 40% of the total revenue that we have included. We can select different types. So for instance, this will say just west 4, north 12, etc., etc. It really depends on your requirements, whether you want a legend like here, what kind of legend, etc., etc. So I really invite you to explore the various options available to you, depending on your particular needs. What I also want to show you here is that from a design perspective, you can choose different kind of designs. So for instance, if you want to have something a bit more I'd say sophisticated, you can have this with different shading, etc., etc. Really, there's a hell of a lot that you can do within, even just within these particular options. In more advanced videos, I will show you how to create more sophisticated designs, but this is, as I said, an introduction only. Within the layout, you will be able to see here that I just want to show you 3 main topics here, which is basically what you have available here for this particular kind of chart. You can change the chart title. By chart title, we intend Excel calls chart title this one here, and it picks it up from that particular cell. You can click on it, change it, whatever you want to do, but the main functions are available here under this particular tab. You can take it out, you can send it over overlay title, so basically you don't resize the chart, or you can have it above the chart. Again, it depends on your choice. Legend. Do you want a legend? And here you have the basic legend options. You can have more by clicking on this link at the bottom. But say that I don't like it at the top, I want to show it at the bottom. I just simply click it like this. And last but not least, where do you want to show the labels, the data labels? So for instance, do you want them as they are now, or do you want outside the end? Again, a number of options that really depend on your requirements. And then we have format. This is more the way the chart looks and how you can change colors, change fills, change the outline, the effects, etc., etc. It's a very powerful tool. Again, I invite you to explore it. So for instance, say for instance you want to change the I want to click on here on the overall thing. You want to change the overall fill of the chart. This is how you do it. If you want to change the outline, let's go and have a look. We could change the shape. So the color, let's put red, and let's put a heavier one. There you go. This is a very powerful set of tools to make the whole pie chart more interesting, more powerful, and to deliver a more powerful message. So this is the introduction. We'll be exploring pie charts, all other charts in other tutorials. For the time being, good luck, enjoy Excel. It's a fantastic product, and don't forget to visit us at excelninja.com. Thank you, goodbye.